Everyone, welcome to the news today. So we just want to discuss some news about the channel Maildog. First off, the Maildog channel gets 100 subscribers. Gee, that's a lot of subs. 100. What a lot of people, might I say. Next up, Maildog made a channel partnered to Maildog Kid Productions. Channels are going to be permanently random on each video. I mean, videos will be assigned randomly to each channel every time a new video is produced. Better look out for the new channel. Better look out for which channel. Better search up Kid Productions and find it, because channels are going to be assigned randomly from now on. King Walrus has once again failed to find the identity of Catman. Yeah, who is Catman anyway? I have no clue. Next up, King Walrus goes to jail, but then he escapes. Oh, he's on the loose. Probably ready for world domination. He's still out to find Catman's identity. If he does no more Catman, he'll weaken. So don't let King Walrus get Catman. And find his identity. We don't want that. Next up, the exercising guy makes up a new exercise called frog exercise, where he jumps like a frog and then does a backflip off a cliff. Doesn't that sound a bit dangerous? Alright, next up, there's nothing else. Thanks for tuning in to today's news. Come back next time where we discuss the escape of King Walrus from prison. See you all soon. Maildog is planning on producing 100 100 video special. Please, he'll include some of his guest stars. Include his family, his friends, and occasional appearances by his pets. And if any of you like to be in the video, just let me know in the comments below. But be sure to subscribe and comment below so you can get your name drawn in a special. Yep, it's right, you can get your name drawn in a special. So be sure to comment below. And have a great day. And subscribe to Maildog and Kid Productions, his new channel, right here. Or where is it? I don't know. So, have a great day.